This 4-quart capacity air fryer is one of the top-of-the-line units designed to meet the demands of a 5-member family. It comes with a wide array of features that are not commonly found in contemporary units. Starting things off is the pioneering Dehydrate Mode. The gentle 105-degree Fahrenheit temperature and low fan speed under the dehydrator function is a much-needed addition to the AF100. It steps up the versatility of this air fryer, making it the ideal appliance when making beef jerky, fruit slices, or snacks. But the added versatility isn't the only positive thing you'll find in the AF101. It comes with a coated ceramic basket and grill, which not only helps maintain the structural integrity of the fryer to withstand temperatures of up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, but it also makes it scratch resistant. For your health safety, the inert materials of the ceramic coating won't react to fire to prevent Teflon chemical contamination. One of the most common problems facing air fryers is the release of hot steam while cooking. This hot air is then collected or drips onto the kitchen countertop and consequently damages them. However, with the Ninja AF101, this will be a thing of the past. All the removable parts of this air fryer interlock properly, preventing hot air from escaping through the bottom while cooking. The AF101 electronic controls are pre-programmed, meaning it's among one of the easiest to use and operate on the market. Cleaning both the internal and external surfaces is fairly easy. All the parts are removable and dishwasher safe, and their non-stick nature prevents the food slime from sticking to the surface. To sum it up, it's extremely hard to find another air fryer that matches the versatility of the Ninja Air Fryer AF101. The crisping plate and dehydrating feature makes it truly unique, and the precise cooking temperature ensures that your food is cooked to the doneness of your liking. Still haven't found the cooking companion for you? Well, stay tuned, we still have more to go. If this is the first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications when our next videos come out. And now, let's push ahead with our list.